In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML or embed code into your Wix website. Whether you want to integrate a third-party application, add a widget, or embed some custom code, Wix makes it pretty simple, made. And I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the editor of the specific website you want to work on. Once the editor loads, you'll see your website layout and a toolbar on the left-hand side. This is where you can access various options to customize your site. Next, you'll want to click on Add Elements in the toolbar then. Add Elements is your gateway to all the features and tools you can incorporate into your site. It's a treasure chest of design possibilities, from text boxes and images to more advanced features like embedding code. After selecting Add Elements, scroll down and click on Embed Code. By doing so, you open the possibilities to incorporate external HTML code or applications seamlessly into your site. This is especially useful if you have a snippet of code you got from another tool or service that you want to display or function on your Wix site. Once you click Embed Code, you will be presented with a few different options. Here, select Embed HTML. This feature lets you add custom HTML code, which can be anything from a custom form to a unique widget. It's an excellent tool for those who want to go beyond the basic capabilities provided by Wix's native elements. Additionally, there's an option to embed a site. If you have content hosted on another site that you'd like to display, this feature is beneficial. It allows you to integrate other web pages directly within your Wix site, replicating their appearance and functionality without needing to recreate them from scratch. Now it's time to type in your embed code. You will see a prompt or a text field where you can paste your custom HTML code. Make sure to copy your code carefully and place it exactly as intended, since any missing parts or errors can affect how it displays on your site. Once you've entered your code, don't forget to click Apply. This action ensures your code gets saved and embedded into your Wix website. After clicking Apply, you might want to preview your page to see how the embedded element appears and functions. If everything looks good, you are all set. And that's it. You've successfully added HTML or embedded code to your Wix website. To maximize the effectiveness of this feature, ensure your embedded HTML is error-free and tested. This way, you can provide an engaging and seamless experience for your visitors. Happy embedding, and enjoy customizing your Wix website.